How to make a Discord server. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Discord server. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of your servers. At the bottom of this list, tap the plus button. A window will pop up. Tap on Create My Own. Choose if you want to create a server for gaming or for a club or community. Upload a server icon. This is optional, but it helps personalize your server. Enter a name for your server. Click Create Server. You'll now be taken to your new server. To create new text or voice channels, tap the server's name at the top. Tap Create Channel. Choose channel's name and type, either text channels or voice channels. After setting up, tap Create. To invite friends, click the Invite Friends button from the pop-up tab. To customize your server settings, click the server name at the top. Select Settings. Here, you can adjust all your server settings. And that's it! Now you know how to make a Discord server. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.